Thank you very much. I'm here with Michael Wolls from Newsealand, one of the foreign international delegates to the event. And thank you very much for your time, Mr. Wolls. It's your first time to come to Somaliland?
No, I've been many times.
So,
12 years.
For 12 years.
Yeah.
How do you see Somaliland security, peace and democracy?
Well, I never had a problem. I've traveled all over Somaliland.
So how do you see to be the invited members of this event?
I don't know, I've been so many times, I think maybe, I'm not sure I'm invited anymore. I just turn up. No, it's a great event. I really enjoy it. I like to come.
I like to come. How Somaliland is different from the image that you had before you arrived for your first time?
Which image? 12 years ago?
12 years ago.
I've always enjoyed coming to Somaliland. I find a very friendly welcome, so I enjoy it very much. So I can't even remember what the image was I had the first time. But it's great. I really enjoy coming here.
What do you describe Somaliland? Somaliland is?
Well, it's the place I come more often than anywhere else, apart from London. I live in London. I come from New Zealand, but I come to Somaliland often.
So I wanted to ask you your title.
Which one? You mean my job?
Your job.
My job is working at university in London, University College London.
So Somaliland has been a democratic and very peaceful country for 24 years since its independence. But it has been ignored by international community for this long time. So what would you say about Somaliland recognition?
Well, I guess I've been asked that question a lot. I think that it's a question that maybe requires a different context to discuss, because there's a lot of things to talk about. But Somaliland is doing very well. Hargeisa is booming. I think, in the times I've been coming here, I've seen Hargeisa grow significantly. And traveling around Somaliland, I think, really the advances, the progress that Somaliland has made in establishing stability and so on is very impressive indeed. And I've been here organizing election observation I've been on the election observation organization team for 3 elections, 2005, 10 and 12. So I've seen that process also through the elections as well.
So Somaliland is deserved to be recognized by international law.
Well, I think it's important that Somaliland is more integrated with many aspects of the world, financial systems, business, and so on. So I think that it's very important that there's some way found to resolve that problem.
What is your message to the international community to say Somaliland?
Well, I've written a lot about it. I've said it many times. I've talked about it in public, so you can find my message all over the place.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time.
No problem.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.